part of the hierarchy for removing hazardous objects is to make them traversable. And so this is an example of Interstate 95 in South Carolina, where they have taken non-traversable drainage features and are converting those to traversable drainage features. So this is some of what the drainage features look like in the median of I-95, and you can see they're raised. So if a vehicle leaves the roadway and it enters the median and strikes one of these objects, it's potentially very hazardous. It can cause a disruption in that vehicle's path. It may cause them to vault or to be stopped by that drainage element, which is not good. And also for the maintenance crews as well, the thing about mowing and maintaining this median, this provides an object or an obstacle for them to maneuver around as well. So these are getting replaced. So here's an image showing the removal of one of those raised drainage features and starting to put the formwork up for the concrete. And this is what it will look like, a fully traversable median drainage feature here on an interstate facility. So potential for high-speed vehicles to be passing through this median if they leave the roadway. And the goal is to make this a safe environment when they leave the roadway. We don't want the vehicle to lose control of their vehicle and crash or enter in the opposing direction of travel.